parking, but we change car now. Hi everyone, today is Saturday and we planning go to Subic with our friend Ali. We park car in SM, but parking is full. That's why Ali before park car here and we just only change car. He waiting me now. And we going to pick up Shaira and going to Subic. Hi Ali.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Zambales.Philippines. It's Saturday afternoon. We're here in Clark, Pampanga right now, and later we're going to Subic.
Right now we go to
Yes,
Subic.
we're going to Subic right now, and we gonna show all the place right now and where we going.
Maybe don't have rain today. Maybe no more rain, I don't know. Okay, let's go. Last night Shaira not want to go to walking street.
Yes.
Why?
Because I'm tired also.
Tired. Now it's okay?
Yes, but of course we're going to Subic right now, and it's my pleasure to go with our
That
friend.
song was brought to you by
Okay.
LPG. Ang puti, ang lambot, ang maya.
Yeah, good. Balance about 2,000 peso.
This gift from this is gift from my friend, the Filipino Valmir. You know Valmir, the guy, engineers. He's a gift from him.
A gift from him.
Yeah. He bring the car for me.
Oh, good. It's Parak already.
Ah, yeah.
Parak, yeah.
So beautiful the view, really.
Yes.
That's the secret and the magic of Subic, really. And you know the history of Subic or not?
No.
It was before 90s and long time ago. It was Navy base for Navy for United States. And I think it's closed. No, it's closed in 90s. 90s after eruptions. What the name of eruption, Shaira?
Pinatubo.
Manitoba.
Pinatubo.
Yeah, even with the Clark air base. So that was the Navy air base. But they still use it now. They still, sometime.
So many houses.
It's like a village. Like village.
Oh, after 2 kilometers already toll plaza. If straight, it's maroon Bataan already.
Here, anybody want to drive, Leon, should be careful because
Yes.
the police here
So strict here.
very, very strict. Really, anyone want to drive here should be careful because the police is so strict here. Last time I came here with my friend, Mr. Jack, Jack Murad. He's so nice guy, really.
Maybe he in the Philippines right now.
I don't know.
But I know he follow us on YouTube.
He?
No, his wife. His wife, I know, our subscriber.
Yeah, I don't like media. I don't like to see media. He's a so nice guy, really.
Aurora Subic Hotel. It's new hotel maybe.
First time I saw that one.
Maybe new. Oh,
You can see, but it's writing by Spanish. Gate. It's built by Spanish people
Yeah.
during the occupation of Spain. That one. Yeah, we are in the main road now. There is sometime American Navy ship big stop here. They stop here this way. I think it's for maintenance. Big one. It's built by United States.
This one?
Yeah.
This building?
Yeah, this is built by United States. That one is for before the base of United States here. All this.
Hi everyone, we're here already in Subic Bay and we're going to Lighthouse.
Lighthouse, yeah. Ali invite us into Lighthouse. This also good place, really. Yes.
They call it Lighthouse.
Yeah. No, you remember we already been before
Yeah.
in Lighthouse. This is Lighthouse.
It was not cleaned that before.
Uh-huh.
And they have, they clean it from 2 years ago. If you stay here in this hotel, you stay in this hotel, you don't need that. Just put your car and just walk.
Free parking here.
Yeah. Sometimes it's full. In the hotel, you wanna go inside? It's full.
I like air here. What name of hotel?
Moonbay.
Mumbai?
Yeah, go there. You see. See, it's still the password working.
Wi-Fi passport working?
Yeah.
Why not change? Yeah, his name. Moonbay Marina. Good swimming pool. Uh-huh.
There is Egyptian there.
Ah, here.
That's my apartment before. I stayed
Ah,
here.
this is your...
1 month I stayed.
Uh-huh. Good, Shaira? Shaira won't sleep again. not won't sleep.
If you see me like this, it means I don't have energy.
Uh-huh. When you don't have energy because you won't eat.
Yes.
I wish I have your system, Shaira. If I
My
eat
system?
something little, I will be fat. I'm also be fat from the wind.
Ay, but I'm not. I wish if I also fat, you know.
She won't fat. She won't be fat.
You know what people want, but I cannot.
Championship of when? Yes,
have some-
nighttime we've been. Nighttime.
Some seafood here.
Barbecue, yes.
But I think it's closed or what?
No, restaurant always open. Yeah, here barbecue before. Also have swimming pool.
What here, sir, so you can see the views?
Okay, thank you. Salad. Do you like bread? Because Shaira hungry, she won't already eat bread. What is this, Ali? Tuna.
Yeah, totally.
Tuna and rice.
So healthy.
Favorite.
Bulalo is good. Yeah, so many beef.
Beef.
No, that's okay. You enjoy that.
No, it's so many.
Ali, it's for 3 person.
I will.
For 3, for 4 persons. This
I
bulalo.
will take some soup for him.
Yes.
Yes.
Last time I eat bulalo in SM Pampanga in San Fernando.
Probably like a